Okay, welcome back children. Now we are moving into a new topic, prime and composite numbers. This is a new topic for you. We'll see what is prime and what is composite numbers. Okay, prime and composite numbers. Numbers more than 1. So you don't consider 1, okay. Numbers more than 1 that have only 2 factors. Numbers more than 1 that have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. So you take the example 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 into 2, 2. Other than that, do you have any other factors? No, only 1 and 2. Only 2 factors, right? 3. 1 and 3. 5. 1 and 5. 7. 1 and 7. Other than this, do they have any other factors? No, they are having only 2 factors. Such type of numbers are called prime numbers. Numbers more than 1. Here we are not going to consider 1. Numbers more than 1 which has only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Then numbers more than 1 which are having more than 2 factors. If you take the number, see here the number 4 is missing, right? What are the factors of 4? 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 2 is also equal to 4. So what are the factors of 4? You have 1, 2 and 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. There are 3 factors. So the numbers that have more than 2 factors, those numbers are called composite numbers. Numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Example 4. Then 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6. There are 4 factors for 6. 8. 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. Yes, so there are more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors, those numbers are called composite numbers. Only 2 factors, those numbers are called prime numbers. Okay. Then in both the cases they have given you numbers more than 1. Why are we not considering 1? Because the number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Dash is the number which is neither prime neither composite. What is the number? 1. 1 is a number that is neither prime nor composite. And then 2 is the only even prime number. Out of the prime numbers you can see 2 is only the even prime number. In this example itself you see 3 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number, 7 is an odd number. Now as you go on, next prime number is 11. 11 is an odd number. Next prime number is 13. 13 is having only 2 factors, 1 and 13. 13 is an odd number. So the only even prime number is 2. Rest of the prime numbers are all odd. So only even prime number is 2. Rest of the prime numbers are odd. Okay children? So this is about prime number and composite numbers. Now this is a table from 1 to 100. Okay, this table is known as sieve of Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is a Greek mathematician. Using this table, he found out the prime numbers from 1 to 100. I'll show you how is that technique. Okay, you will do it with me children. If possible, do it. Or you can make a grid and then see how am I doing it. Okay. So, we are going to find out the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. This is known as sieve of Eratosthenes. He is a Greek mathematician. Now, 1. As I have told you already, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, I am going to cross out 1 here. I will take another color. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, we are not taking 1. Then, in the example I have told you 2 is a prime number, isn't it? Why 2 is a prime number? 2 is only having 2 factors, 1 and 2. So 2 is a prime number. So let 2 be there. What you will do is, you will cross out all the multiples of 2. Which are the multiples of 2? See, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, all the multiples, that is skip count 2. 2 11s 22, 2 12s 24, 2 into 13 26, 2 into 14 28, 2 into 15 30. All the multiples of 2 you will cross out. 32, 34, 36, 38, 2 into 20 40, 2 into 21 42, 2 into 22 44, 2 into 23 46, 2 into 24 48, 2 into 25 50. All the multiples of 2. Cross out all the multiples of 2. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. All these are multiples of 2. All the even numbers. All the even numbers are multiples of 2. 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. All the multiples of 2. Leave 2, cross out all the multiples of 2 because 2 is a prime number. Now, next 3. 3 is also a prime number, right? It's having only 2 factors. 1 into 3, 3. 3 is having only 2 factors. So, leave 3, cross out all the multiples of 3. That is, just skip count 3. 3 2s are 6, already gone. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. Some of them are already crossed out, okay. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. 3 13s are 39. 3 14s are 42. 3 15s are 45. Then 48. 3 16s are 48. Okay. 3 17s are 51. 3 18s are 54. 3 19s are 57. 3 20s are 60. Okay. All these are multiples of 3. No problem children, if you don't know everything you can just count 3 3 each. See after 60, 1 2 3 multiple of 3. 1 2 3, this is multiple of 3, 66. 1 2 3 multiple of 3. Okay. 1 2 3, this is multiple of 3, 72. Remember when we did divisibility rule, 72 was a multiple of 3. Okay, it is divisible by 3. 1 2 3, 75 multiple of 3. 1 2 3, 78 is already gone. 1 2 3, 81 is a multiple of 3. 1 2 3, 84 is gone. 1 2 3, 87 is a multiple of 3. 1 2 3, 90 is gone. 90 is a multiple of 3. 1 2 3, 93 is a multiple of 3. Again 1 2 3, 96 is gone. 1 2 3, 99. 3 into 33 is 99. Okay children, 3 into 33 is 99. So we have crossed out all the multiples of 3. Okay. First you took 2, you crossed out all the multiples of 2. Just skip count 2. 2 2 2 each you count and then cross it off. Then you took 3, 3 is a prime number, leave 3, cross out all the multiples of 3. Okay. Then next is 5. 5 is a prime number, yes. So leave 5, cross out all the multiples of 5. How do you know the multiples of 5? The last digit should be either 5 or 0. So you just have to check this line and this line. That's all. Because the last digit should be 5 or 0. Then it is divisible by 5. It is a multiple of 5. So here what is left you cut off. 25 is multiple of 5. 35 is divisible by 5. 55 divisible by 5. 65 divisible by 5. 85, 95. Then in this line everything is cut off. Already it is cut off. So you have crossed out all the multiples of 5. Then what is next? 7. 7 is a prime number. Leave 7. Cross out the multiples of 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49 is not crossed out. Cross it out. 7 8s are 56, it's crossed out. Okay, 7 nines are 63, it's crossed out. 7 tens are 70, it is crossed out. Then 7 elevens are 77, it is not crossed out. 7 12s are 84, it is crossed out. Then 7 12 is over, 7 13s are 91, cross it out. 7 13s are 91, or you after 84 you count 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It comes at 91. Okay children? So 7 13s are 91. Then 7 14s are 98. Again you count 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at 98. So you have crossed out all the multiples of 7. Now see what is left. All the numbers which are not left, which are not crossed out, those numbers are called prime numbers. So you will write down the prime numbers. The prime numbers from 1 to 100 are, which are the prime numbers children? You have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Then after that next line 23 and 29. Okay. Then next line 31, 37, 31, 37. Then next line 41, 43, 41, 43, 47 is there. Okay. Then coming to next line 53 and 59 is there. Then 61, 67, 61, 67 is there. 71 and 71, 73, 79. 71, 73, 79 is not crossed out, so they are prime numbers. Then you have 83 and 89. 83 and 89. And then at last you have 97. Okay, so these are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Children, at least till 20 you should know. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This you should know thoroughly. 8 prime numbers are there from 1 to 20. Okay, these prime numbers you have to know. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This is very important. These 8 of them you have to know it thoroughly. Okay. So this is how prime numbers were found out by Eratosthenes. This is known as sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay children. Okay. Clear? Understood? Thank you.